Hello, folks, and welcome back. On this episode, we perform maintenance on our Andersen Weight Distribution Hitch because of the number of miles we've put on it. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. This is what our current Andersen hitch looks like that we use to tow our Casita travel trailers. It's about 4.5 years old. It's got over 90,000 miles on it. Been cross country 8 times, and it's got numerous, and I mean numerous, local trips up and down the East Coast and in the Southeast. And it's that point where we need to replace the Teflon sleeve on the inside. The way the hitch works is you've got an inner portion here and an outer portion here, and then they have a Teflon sleeve that goes in between them underneath this black ring. This is what it looks like, and that allows the unit to move left and right. Now, to replace that Teflon, we're going to take these screws out right here that hold this black ring on the top. And once you have the screws out, we're just going to lift our black ring off, and you can see the Teflon sleeve right here. That's what we're going to replace. To do that, we'll take our hitch and flip it over and just put it back into the vehicle. First thing we have to do is it has a retaining snap ring on the bottom to keep this from pulling out the top. Get a set of snap ring pliers, and you're just going to use it to open up the snap ring. And it's not easy to do, but then you just have to work it off of the hitch, just like we're doing here. And then once you have it off, you want to take something soft, put it underneath down on the ground. And then you're going to take a rubber mallet and just pound it, and it'll fall right out. And then from there, you want to take and use a small screwdriver, and you're going to work out this Teflon sleeve on the inside. Just be careful not to scratch up the outside holder. And you can see here from ours, ours is definitely well used, and we got our money's worth. All right, well, let's go ahead and put it back together with new parts. First thing we're going to do is put the Teflon sleeve down in. Then we're going to take the new inner housing, and you can see the hole in the bottom. Make sure it goes left and right or parallel to the rear of your vehicle. And then we're just going to push it down in there good. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to install a new retaining ring, and this is what the retaining ring looks like. And then I take my hitch, turn it sideways, and you'll see that little groove right there. That's where the retaining ring goes. And just take your pliers and slide it up till it latches in that groove. And then the final thing we're going to do is take our black ring and put it back on the top, put all the screws inside of it. Make sure that it's lined up left and right for the hole on the bottom. Make sure your retaining ring's in place. And you've completed doing the maintenance on your Andersen hitch. Well, we hope this helps you out. We want to tell you we appreciate you watching and thank you very much for your support, and we'll see you in the campground.